Typical UK credit cards carry average interest rates hovering around 22%. If you carry a balance month to month, that interest actively works against you, siphoning cash out of your accounts just to service the debt before you ever touch the actual principal. This animated comparison shows exactly how to break that cycle. The left side charts a high-interest minimum payment plan, where the balance barely moves. The right side shows our target end state, moving your expensive debt to a 0% balance transfer card and setting up an automated system to drop that balance straight to zero without paying another penny in interest. To build this system today, you need to gather 4 things right now: your exact current credit card balances, the 16-digit card numbers, your annual income details, and access to your banking app. Having these specific details in front of you reduces overwhelming debt to a purely mechanical, solvable math problem. Step 1 is finding your new card, but you must not apply directly. Applying for a credit card triggers a hard search on your credit file. If you apply and get rejected, that hard search actively damages your credit score and makes future approvals even harder. Instead, use an eligibility checker tool. Look for an interface that explicitly mentions a soft search. This scans your file behind the scenes, giving you a list of 0% cards with a guaranteed or high percentage chance of approval, without leaving a damaging mark on your record. This corporate family tree diagrams a vital rule for balance transfers in the UK. Banks will not let you move debt between cards operated by the same exact banking group. You cannot transfer a balance from NatWest to RBS or from HSBC to First Direct. You must select a card from a totally separate financial family. Isolating the right target card through soft searches secures the necessary 0% promotional window while actively protecting your credit profile for the future. Once you select a pre-approved card from a new banking family, click through the eligibility checker to officially start the application. Do not wait until the card arrives in the post. During the application itself, you will hit a section asking for balance transfer details. This is exactly where you input the 16-digit number of your old high-interest card and the specific amount of debt you want to move. At this stage, factor in the transfer fee. Most 0% cards charge an average fee of 2.5% of the total debt moved. This fee will be automatically added to your new balance. Executing the transfer directly inside this initial application form guarantees the fastest, most frictionless route to shifting the debt off your old account. With the debt moved, you face the bank's next trap: the minimum payment. The suggested minimum payment is mathematically designed to be so low that you will remain in debt long past the end of your 0% promotional window. The Clear It calculation bypasses the minimum payment trap. Add your total debt to the transfer fee. For example, £3,000 plus a £90 fee equals £3,090. Divide this total by your 0% months. Divided by 20 months, your exact target payment is £154.50 a month. Ignoring the bank's suggested minimum and committing strictly to this calculated figure is the only mathematical way to ensure your balance hits absolute zero before the high interest kicks back in. Now, open your current account banking app immediately. Set up a recurring direct debit to your new credit card for that exact Clear It amount. Do not close the app until you locate the confirmation screen, proving the recurring direct debit is actively scheduled and locked in. A few days later, your new 0% card will arrive in the post. The moment it drops through your letterbox, physically cut it in half with heavy scissors. Throw it straight in the bin. Do not activate it for contactless. Don't link it to Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Any new daily spending placed on this card destroys your Clear It math and restarts your debt cycle. By pairing an automated direct debit with the physical destruction of the card, you completely remove willpower and human error from the equation. The debt clears itself in the background. At this stage, your expensive debt is fully transferred, the interest is permanently frozen, and your bank is automatically executing the perfect payoff strategy every single month. Instead of treading water just to pay off interest, every pound you spend now actively destroys the principal debt, moving you closer to zero with every automated payment. You have the formula. Calculate your timeline right now and post your exact debt-free date in the comments below to lock in your commitment.